Now I want to introduce 3 basic terms which are essential to understand if you want to work with Infinity Maps. What you can now see, this area is called the canvas. We want you to recognize that the canvas is your main workspace because here you can create your own content. You are able to fill it with so-called cards. To create, modify or delete cards, the intuitive way is to use the toolbar, which is on the left side here. But what is this magic thing called card? That's easy. Every item you are able to create is a card. You can work with little or big cards, and you can summarize cards into cards and do a lot of amazing things with them, like fulfilling them with pictures or colors or data, and get as much space as you want by zooming and scaling down and up. About these actions we will talk later on in other tutorials, or you can find them out by yourself. The main thing now to realize is that on your canvas you can create cards with the toolbar. And if you zoom into a card, it is your new canvas. Listen, you are a shortcut lover? I have some good news for you. Mostly every action is also possible to do by a shortcut. Therefore, just mouse over an action and see the description and also the individual shortcut. For example, I can create a card by using the Add mode here in the toolbar or by using the keyboard. Some hidden shortcuts I will introduce in the other tutorials, step by step. Stay curious.